Here we are going to share a very simple recipe for delicious apple and oats smoothie that is packed with nutrients and can help you reduce weight. Oatmeal smoothie is a healthy weight loss drink and a breakfast smoothie that is suitable to have any time of the day. Before we go ahead with this simple recipe, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more weight loss and fitness tips. Ingredients: 1 apple. Apples are low in calories and provide a good source of fiber that helps fill you up. Half cup cold milk. 3 tablespoons oats. Oats are healthy and rich in fiber and also give good flavors. Oatmeal is good in reducing blood sugar levels and the risk of heart disease. 1 tablespoon yogurt. Yogurt is a good source of protein that helps with satiety. It helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. 3 dates, soaked in water. Dates give the required sweetness without the need to add unhealthy sugar. Preparation: add all the ingredients into a blender jar. Blend well. Transfer into serving glass, garnish with half a teaspoon chia seeds and enjoy. This can be a quick oats breakfast smoothie to lose weight or a perfect recipe for those looking forward to losing weight. If you love this video, please press the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our YouTube family. See you in my next video.